There are a couple of things more that can be told about the view. And let's first start with this one, and this is a very fun one. You can see how your design will look at the back. So if you press now this button, and you can also do this here and here, the back view. So if I now use this one, and well, pay attention to this part so you can see it, and I will now press it, and now you see the design at the back of your cloth. So that is very fun, and you can see here that the background of this button is now darker, so you can see that you are looking now at the back view. So let's switch back to the front view. And well, there was also something about the normal cloth view. Here you can see it here, and you can also switch that here with the interlacement toggle, and now you see this color design. But what you can do also is show the grid. So now you see all the boxes around each block. Another thing that is also fun is the color view. You can show it in black and white, and you can use this, and you can also use this button. So let's use this button, and now you see this in black and white. And what you have to remember is that the black threads that you see here are the warp colors that are on top, and here the white is the weft color on top. And suppose you don't want it to see it that way, you see here it is now in warp drawdown, and if you want to change this, you can use weft drawdown, and now it's switched. So well, let's see if I have shown you everything. I think that is all I have to show you about the view.